Yes, it was standing on the wall and told me that there is cloudy morning. Everyone was standing in their yards. I was also standing inside my home and watching. It was wind, and he was also standing inside the home. We both decided to go the farms and just go to the brinjals farms and pick some brinjals to make a beautiful curry. Brinjal curry, which is favorite of my husband. He was just picking some brinjals and then he just collect some sticks and put inside. I was also picking brinjals. These were very fresh and organic, which is very good for health. I just need so few of brinjals because we were not so much big family. All villagers were frightened of this wind, and there were leaves and broken trees over there. We both were in the fields. We were frightened also, and there was a muddy wind and a thunderstorm. Suddenly it started rain, and yes, we both become wet, but we were smoothly and steadily moving towards the home, and we both were feeling cold inside the home. We put the baskets in kitchen and clean our body with towel. I just started washing brinjals, and just look at these beautiful, fresh and pure, shining like a gold. I just wash some brinjals and then dry them with piece of cloths. Then I just start making them cooked on the fire inside my kitchen. And just look at these brinjals. These were burned from outside but cooked from inside, and now at that time beautiful smell of brinjals spreading everywhere. I just peel off all its outside stuff and just mash all brinjals. Just look at this. And now my husband decided to go and give some food to the goats and chicks, which were hungry and they were watching towards us. Yes, of course, it was rainy day, but we have to take care of everything of my home. I was just cutting onions and started making the food. I just cut some potatoes which I picked from my farmhouse. Then brinjal were ready, but now I was making curry. Some of these villagers were sitting inside the mud store, and they were chatting. Now look at these children, they are also enjoying outside. I just pour some oil and then put onions which I chopped and start making delicious brinjal meal. Then I put that mashed brinjals and potatoes, green chilies, and of course I put some ingredients and spices inside, salt and chili, turmeric, and some other sauces and spices which are the necessary part of brinjal salan handi. In our language we ask it handi on mud. Then I pour some oil and just watching my husband. He was still busy in farmhouse. Some of ladies were picking water from the house, and I was just making dough and some chapatis in my kitchen. Yes, of course, almost all meal was ready. My husband liked mango and mango shake with meal, so he was just preparing for mango shake. I was making some parathas and which were very tasty and fresh. Just look at this. Now beautiful smell is spreading everywhere in all around the town of my tasty brinjal salan and roti. Almost I have made all chapatis very soon and just look at these all my villagers. And then he put some yogurt in mixie jar and then he put some milk, add some sugar and then he these chopped mangoes and make a lovely and delicious and healthy shake. Yes, of course. And that was ready. He just put it into glasses. And there was some extra. I just put some desi ghee, which is very tasty, and add the salan inside the pot. On the other hand, I have also completed roti and salan, and there was heavy rain outside, and we enjoyed our meal with mango shake. It was tasty and delicious meal which my husband liked most and I was really happy. And then we enjoyed the mango shake. I told to my husband, do you like it? My dear friends, but for watching these type of videos, like, share and subscribe my channel.